بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Root is a unique and amazing concept which allows us to rapidly expand our vocabulary. This three-lettered word is a root and acts as the skeleton of the word. Patterns are added to these roots to form a variety of words. Just by knowing one simple three-lettered root, a vast combination of words can be understood. In grammar books, roots are also known as verbs. Nouns are created from these verbs, which are called verbal nouns. Let's see the examples again with kha, lam, qaf. Lots of words can be originated from kha, lam, qaf. Khalaqa, he created. Khaliqun, creator. Khuliqa, was created. Khalqun, creation. Root creates verb and noun. خلق and خلق are verbs. خلق and خالق are nouns. These verbs and nouns again can get conjugated with pronouns or prepositions to form expanded meanings of the words. خلقناهما الخالقون تخلقونه بخلق. Verbs have 10 forms. In this website, the first form is called a simple verb. We will study related patterns for simple verbs. The rest of the 9 forms will be called derived verbs. We will start studying derived verbs once simple verbs are well understood. Quranic verbs will be studied using different patterns: present tense, past tense, commands of imperatives. Each tense will be studied with different pronouns. That means if we study one pattern for he did, we will also study another pattern for she did. Patterns of verbs express gender, male or female. Number. In Arabic, there are 3 numbers: singular, plural, and dual. Tense. Let's look at nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. In this website, an adjective is also counted as a noun. A noun has the same concept in English, but Arabic nouns have a lot more connotation. Arabic nouns may show gender, whether the word is masculine or feminine; plurality, whether the word is singular, dual, or plural. In this website, we will study around 1,200 roots. Out of this 1,200, around 1/3 is very frequently used. The rest makes around 10% of the Quranic words. We have a special section to meet these most frequented verbs. That means in a very short time, inshallah, we will meet 90% of the Quranic words. We will study roots in a few layers. In the first 70 tutorials, we will be studying patterns. Even patterns are the primary focus. We will be meeting a variety of roots, inshallah. One root can have different meanings, but for the sake of simplicity, we will just stick to one meaning and learn the patterns. This is how we will get level 1 understanding of the roots. After patterns are done, in level 2, we will review roots in a few groups. This discussion will be based on the type of roots: solid root, weak root, double-lettered roots, etc. This will give some morphological understanding of Quranic roots. Now gradually we will go into the tone of the roots. We will look into the roots that build the majesty and grandeur of His 99 names. We will look into roots that show the pathway how to become muttaqi. Even though we strongly desire mercy over His wrath, we will see roots that displease our Supreme God. And we will see roots that bring salvation to our eternal lives. Consider each root as a valuable gem, a piece of diamond. Look at its cuts, its sparkle, fire, brilliance. In this website, we will review what makes the Quran easy to understand, but we strive and pray that its light reflects deep into your heart and you be guided and be steadfast in the path of Siratul Mustaqim.